Want to rev up your energy levels? Here's how to turbocharge your metabolism. So what's metabolism? It's like your body's engine turning food into fuel. The faster it runs, the more calories you burn, even when you're just chilling on the couch. Want to boost it? Here are some easy tips. First, eat small, frequent meals. Think of it like keeping the fire burning by adding wood regularly. Skipping meals can slow your metabolism down. Next, build muscle. Muscle burns more calories than fat, even at rest, so grab those weights and start lifting. Don't forget to hydrate. Water is essential for your metabolic processes. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Spice things up. Foods like chili peppers can give your metabolism a temporary boost, plus they make your meals more exciting. Lastly, get enough sleep. Lack of rest can mess with your metabolism. Aim for 7-9 hours a night to keep your engine running smoothly. So there you have it. Eat well, move more, stay hydrated, spice it up and rest easy. Your metabolism will thank you. Ready to give it a go? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more tips to stay healthy and energized.